Yo, what's up everybody, it's Slim Tumor here, and today I have another video for you guys. This right here is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and today I just wanted to, not brag, but I just wanted to show you guys that I can solve one of these bad boys. Now, I'm gonna scramble up the cube, but I don't want to, I don't want you guys to think I'm cheating by, I'm not gonna scramble it in front of me, I'm gonna put it behind my back and scramble it, so here we go. So I'm going to wait till we're 50 seconds into the video and then I will start solving. Okay, so we're 50 seconds into the video, so now, as you guys can see, I have it all scrambled and all that, so yeah, I'm going to pick the white side to solve just because I can, and yeah. Here we go. I still got that lined up, so. Oh, well, I can just turn this to the bottom and then. Oh, well, that corner's already solved. This is orange and blue, so I'm just gonna. Okay, got the first layer solved. Got the first layer solved, so yeah. Now it's time to solve the second layer, and that's pretty simple actually. And next one. Oh well, this time we're going this way, so since we're going that way, let's do this. And yeah, we're going this way, so. Only one more. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Now to do this thing and do this thing. Now got 2 layers solved. Check it out. See, 2 layers solved. So now I'm gonna go ahead and solve the bottom layer. So there we go. Looks like we're gonna have to Oh well, I have to turn it this way now. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. What did I do wrong? Okay, hang on. I think I might have messed up the solve a little bit. Oh, wait, that's how I messed it up. Crap, me. Oh, okay. Oh, well. Wow. Usually it doesn't. Usually the solve doesn't come to me this easy. Well, let me just go ahead and get into the vibe, if you know what I'm saying. Well, oh, well, this is just out of control now. Oh, well. Well, that's right there, so. This cube giving me a headache. And, oh, well, I'm just going to go and do it right here. Not really sure what that's going to do, but I'm just doing it. And that's, oh, well, neither of these are lined up right now, so, now I just, wow, this is taking such a long time for me. It usually, I swear to you guys, it usually takes me such less of a time to solve this thing, but the thing just wants to be a jerk, so, I think it's time, well, now I got this kind of situation, so, now that's got me into this kind of situation. And that situation got me in this kind of situation. Oh, now it's in position to solve now. Now you want to be nice to me. Yeah, butthole. Now you want to be nice and cooperate. Well, I mean, let's do it again. Oh, here we go. I'm about to solve it. Check me out. Alright, here we go. One more time. And there we go. I just solved the thing. So yeah, I'll show you. White side, yellow, green, blue, red, orange. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.